I think success, a lot of people attain success, but I think it can be quite selfish in nature, to be honest with you. I think significance is a total different animal. And I think people that are highly successful come to a place in their life where they realize that this is not enough. You can only eat one meal, no matter how expensive the meal. You can only basically ride in or drive one car, no matter how expensive the car. And you can only live in one home at a time, no matter how many homes you got. And so I think there comes a time when you say, all this stuff that I've accumulated and acquired, there's got to be something more. And I think significance is the something more. I think significance is making a difference for others. I think significance, just as success is probably selfish in its nature, significance, the DNA of significance is that it's unselfish in its nature, that it's about others, it's about adding value, it's about making a difference in the lives of others. And I think that what happens is, if we mature correctly in our success journey of life, there comes a time when we say, so what? So I have come to this place and I have these things. What eternal nature is there here? And what is there something, and who's being benefited by this that's beyond me? And what can I do to make a difference?